Hi, welcome to this educational video. In this part, I want to teach you how to frame with neon colors and how to make a light and neon brush. You may need to write or design your own image with a light brush and give them dimension. Give them to look more beautiful and stay with me. In my picture, I want to create a cadre with neon brush, for example for this dress or for legs or hands. Before everything, go to this icon and create a new layer. After that, double click to your layer. Go to the outer glow and set your other glow to my setting. First, set your mode to linear dodge. Set your mode to linear dodge and then set your opacity to a number between 75 to 85. I think 85 it's okay, or 70. We don't need to any noise, so it's O. And choose your color. For example, for me the blue one is good because my dress is blue, so I choose a blue one. Yeah. After that, in elements, set your technique to softer and your spread a number between 50 to 20. For example, you set to 20 or 17. I think 17 okay. And your size depending on your work. For me, I think 17 is okay. And your quality, your contour should be linear contour is the best, and range is 15 and jitter is O. After that, don't active anything, just click OK. And active your brush tool, and my brush size is very big. As you see, my brush is very nice, but my brush color is black and it's not good. I pressed Ctrl plus Z to remove it, and then by my color setting I set it to white. Your brush color should be white, then click OK. After that, I change my brush size, for example to a 10 pixel or not, for example 8. Then click OK. I want to create a cover around my dress, so I want to little zoom, yeah, and with my brush I think I needed to decrease my brush size, for example to 5 pixel, yeah, and I brush it. Very nice. I brush around my dress. And I want to change my color. For example, it's a nice blue. I want to darken it. Yeah, it's okay. Then okay. And I decrease my brush size again to 2 pixel. Yeah, it's better. And I want to increase it to 5. Very good. You can increase your smoothing and you can brush very slowly. Very good. It's full of neon and light color. Okay, good. And a little there. Very nice. For other color, you want to create a new layer with new setting. For example, in my layer number 1, I use blue color and I drawing around my dress. And for body or for hair, I want to create a new neon brush. So I create a new layer, then I double click on it and click to other glow. My setting is active right now. Just I change my color, for example, to yellow, and then click OK and OK. In layer number 2, I can drawing with yellow color, and I can change my effects. For example, double click on my effect and change my size to 50 and change my spray to 12. Then click OK, and I change it very easily. Or I can double click to my effect, and in other glow I can change my opacity, for example, to 50. Okay, very easily. I double click to my hand tool, and with my brush I brush some part of there. Very good. And I want to change my color brush to, for example, red. For example, like this, as you see. Or to this color, yeah. It's not good. I think the white color for foreground is the best. Very good. And there.